Good morning, everyone. It is 2 days before Christmas, and I have some last minute gifts that I have to do. So I figured I have these 3 things to hand out. They are gifts for family members with a bunch of photos and stuff inside. So I'm gonna wrap them, and then I'm actually going to hand make some cards to put on here. So I figured it would be kind of a cool thing to show you guys just how I'm gonna do that and how this process is gonna go. I already put the photos in here and I closed these up. So yeah, I just have to wrap them now. I actually have some scraps here, so I think I'm gonna use those first. I'm sorry. Probably just put this one on top just like that. Okay, so okay, so I just pulled out my card kit. This is what I'm going to use to cut the file. This is actually the file that I'm using. This is a PNG from Yarn and Chai. I'll put the link in the description if you guys want to use it. So I'm actually using cardstock. I think I'm going to do maybe 1 or 2 in this gray color and then 1 or 2 in this white color. I think that'll be nice. This one I already used previously, so now I'm just gonna go over here and click make. Alright, so it said it was done, so now I'm just gonna like pop them off. Perfect, that one actually worked out really well. And that one, there we go. So this is the front, and this is the back. So they're gonna go on like this. But before I do that, I actually have to put some thread through here. So I'll show you how to do that too. I'm gonna print 2 more of these out, but I think I'm gonna do white just because they'll have a different contrast. And also, who knows, the paper is a lighter color, so it might actually look better, and I might change my mind. I realized I forgot to film these first 2, but anyway, these are what I'm making. I have 1 more to do, so I figured I'd show you guys. These are so cute. So I actually already did the bottom stem. I just taped it to the back. I have my yarn threaded, so I'm just gonna stick it through this top hole right here. And then I'm going to stick it through the front. So this is what the back looks like. This is what the front looks like. And then I'm going to go through this one again. And see, now I just made a little top for the tree. I'm gonna go like this. And there we have it. A nice little Christmas tree. The last little thing is to just tape off the top parts and then it's done. So now what I need to do is, this is the back for it. So I just need to get a glue stick and then glue the back on. And then I think I'm actually going to also stick these underneath like a book or something to kind of flatten them down. I think that might make them better, or just get really strong glue, but that's the next step.